buzz is incredible, but the biggest buzz you get is the moment you step past that curtain, walk on and see the audience for the first time.
It's nice to have a constant group of people that are sharing, some of the biggest experiences of your life with.
I just can't even explain it, it's just phenomenal. I love Only Boys Aloud.
It's just absolutely epic, and I think that's only one way to describe it. The best thing about being in Only Boys Aloud, I think, is everyone sharing exactly the same passion. Everyone just works so hard to achieve the best we possibly can.
You have so much fun, you learn so much in the rehearsals, even the smallest things such as the warm-ups are just great, really fun.
We have rehearsals every week, but we also get into bigger rehearsals like today where we have everyone together, and Tim just gives us so much support.
Tim and Only Men Aloud help us by just making sure that we know exactly what we're singing, are we singing in tune, just making sure that like everything, the harmonies and everything is spot on, and just basically just bringing on our voices.
The choir has given us several opportunities that we'd never have by ourselves.
We have performed obviously in Britain's Got Talent, and we got to the finals of that, and that was just the best feeling ever.
I think some of the best opportunities I've had is performing in the Coronation Gala with the Queen, and to share it with my bestest friends and to sing, doing what I love, is just absolutely amazing.
The most memorable performance for me was probably with Catherine Jenkins, and one of the best experiences I've ever had.
The most fun bit for me is definitely the regionals, the smaller concerts. It's a good chance to give music back to the community and to people who've never really heard us before.
People are always really proud to be Welsh, so when something comes from Wales, we sort of come back as like a massive triumphant victory sort of thing, and sort of people recognise where we're from in Wales, and that's sort of a massive thing.
It's made me a new person, and they have so much confidence. It's unbelievable.
It's probably the best club I've ever joined, so believe me, if you like me, you'll never look back.
I think even if you just, you just maybe, I don't know if I do, maybe I should, I think you should just go for it. Don't even think about it, because the opportunities you will get out of being in Only Boys Aloud is just absolutely incredible, and you will not regret it at all.